Welcome to our podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of satellite data and how it plays a crucial role in understanding and managing natural disasters, specifically the Southern California fires. So, have you ever stopped to think about how much technology surrounds our daily lives? I mean, when we hear about wildfires, our thoughts often go to the destruction they cause, homes lost, ecosystems damaged. But what if I told you that there's information beaming down from the skies that can help us not only monitor but also take action against these disasters? Let's talk about the GOES-16 East and GOES-18 West satellites. They were up there in the sky capturing data during the January 2025 Southern California wildfire events. Each image they collect is not just a pretty picture, they are actually high-detail data sets. Can you imagine? Each image is only 128 by 128 pixels. But here's the kicker. Each pixel represents an area of 1 square kilometer. That's a lot of detail packed into a tiny visual. Now, one challenge that often comes up with satellite imaging is cloud cover. It's kind of ironic, but clouds can obscure our view of raging fires. However, by combining data from two satellites, we can overcome this limitation and see a clearer picture, literally. And the process doesn't stop there. This data is accessible for citizen scientists, meaning anyone can get involved with this critical work. They've made it possible to download reprojected data and even process it through programs like Google Colab. It's really democratizing technology and science, don't you think? Oh, and speaking of accessibility, it's great to see how folks are using this data to measure hotspots of these fires. The code used in analysis can be modified easily, so if you wanted to dive in and experiment, you could change some parameters and analyze new data sets yourself. Isn't it cool that you could potentially measure these hotspots and get insights that could contribute to firefighting efforts? It feels empowering to think that with a bit of curiosity and the right tools, anyone can contribute to understanding something as critical as climate change and its impacts through citizen science. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought. How do you think technology like this will evolve in the future? Will we finally find better ways to predict and respond to natural disasters? Or maybe we'll discover new ways to mitigate their effects. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you're as inspired as I am by the intersection of technology and citizen science. Until next time, keep wondering and exploring the world around you.